Hey traders, welcome back to the Smart Algo YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Smart Algo Scalper bot once again, but this time we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin USDT asset. In particular, we're going to take a look at the 30-minute time frame and look at its performance and how it does historically. So for those of you who don't know what the Scalper bot is, it's essentially a TradingView strategy which can be automated and connected to your broker, and you can automate the trades in the form of webhooks, which allows TradingView to take trades based on these webhooks on your broker platform. First, let's take a look at the performance of the Smart Algo Scalper bot on the 30-minute time frame. If we open up the strategy tester, and it's glitched. Okay, there we go. We can see that in this period, we have made a return of 366%. We closed a total of 119 trades. We were profitable 54% of the time, and we have a profit factor of 1.93. Our max drawdown was 18.6%. And just to give you guys some information about the time period of this test, if I turn on the backtesting, you're going to see that there's actually not much difference in the graph. So we started the test on the 1st of January 2023 last year, all the way up to today's date. If we look at the equity curve, once again, it's a very upward sloping linear shape, which is exactly what we want to see. If we take a look at the average trade statistic here on the top, it says that we make around 1.4% on average per trade, which is a lot, by the way. Also, the statistic that is showing here, the 366.6%, that's the return if you do not compound your account, meaning that you trade the same lot size or the same position size every single trade. If you were to, let's say, compound this, I think you would be around at least 5, 6, maybe even 1,000% up. Again, it's just off the top of my head, I'm not really sure. We are currently in a period of a sideways kind of situation for our account, but keep in mind, guys, if we zoom out of, let's say, this area here and look at the bigger picture, it's just another situation like this. So we were in a sideways situation here as well, but after we pulled through and the account recovered and we were trading in profits again, in situations like this, when we experience, let's say, an area of or a time of consolidation, we really need to zoom out and look at the bigger picture. If we close the strat tester and take a look at the trades, you can see that unlike the gold settings for Bitcoin here, we're actually using a risk reward ratio of around 2, meaning that every 1% that we risk, we are set to make 2%. If you look at this by eye, you can see that the area of the stop loss is roughly half the area of the take profit. If we take a look in the settings of the Smart Algo bot here, by clicking on the gear icon and then scroll down, we can see that for our take profit settings, it is in fact 2 times the stop loss. By the way, these settings are posted in the VIP Discord. So if you're a VIP member, you can head over to the bot settings in the Discord, and these settings are posted up there. We entered a buy. We were very close, pretty much just a couple points, a couple dollars away from take profit, and then we ended up in drawdown, but ultimately we came through and hit take profit. This trade as well hit take profit pretty quickly. This trade here ended up with a loss, and this trade in a win. The goal of this strategy is that it can trade 24/7. Because you can automate it, you don't have to look at the charts all the time or set alerts and look at your phone when there is a signal. It will take trades automatically for you. And the objective of the strategy is basically maximizing profits and minimizing the risk and time spent looking at the charts. So I know a lot of you guys will have questions like how you can automate this. Now it depends on your platform that you use. For example, for crypto, you can use Wonderbit or 3 commas, just off the top of my head. And you can connect those to your crypto brokerage and set up the auto trading there. So we found these settings for Bitcoin USDT using the optimization process, which we linked in the last video. I'll put this video also in the description below. So for those of you who already have the bot and are interested in optimizing for other instruments, you can follow the step-by-step process and follow the optimization guide for whatever instrument that you want to trade with the Scalper bot. Now, because we're using a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio for Bitcoin USDT, we will experience a lower win rate or low percentage win rate. If we look down here, our maximum wins in a row is 8, which is less than the max wins in a row for gold, which I believe was 11 if I'm not mistaken, and the max losses in a row is 4. Now this is perfectly fine because in trading we don't just look at the win rate, we also have to look at our risk to reward ratio. In this case, our risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2. So even if your win rate is less than 50%, you will still profit in the long term. This is something that new traders don't understand, is the balance between win rate and risk to reward ratio. So if you guys would like to try the Smart Algo scalper bot for yourselves, or just want to learn more information about Smart Algo, click on the first link in the description below, and I'll take you to a website where you can learn more about what we do and what we offer. And if you guys found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more trading insights, and I'll see you guys next time.